Okay. Dahil pupunta tayo sa Boracay, kailangan natin maging fit para hindi tayo kaagad mapagod. And so, we will do our morning exercise. This is the stationary bike. Siguro 50 times per session, and then break, and then another 50 para lumakas ang ating stamina para sa ating lalakad. Dahil maraming lakad ang ating gagawin, kaya kailangan fit tayo. So if you are tired na doing the stationary bike, you can also sit down and just do the leg work. Like that. Kailangan palaging may support, ha? Dahil alam na, tumatanda na, brittle na ang ating mga buto, kaya bawal madapa, bawal madulas. Kaya kailangan palaging safe ano man ang iyong ginagawa. Ayan. So, just count 1 to 50 for the legs. And then take a rest and do it again. Yes. This is the way to do it. Even at home, you can do the exercise. You don't need to go out. Mas delikado pa pag nasa labas ka. Dahil baka matapilok. Delikado. Dito na lang tayo sa loob ng bahay. As long as we have the gadget or the equipment, you can do the exercise yourself. Okay? So, slowly. Huwag abrupt ang pagdahinto, ha? Slowly. Dahil yung katawan ay nag-a-adjust. Kaya dapat slowly.